what is this Teach with Tech Club going to be doing, and how is it that it's going to be helping educators? So let us understand this. Let me share my screen with all of you. Just give me So join the Teach with EdTech Club. Now, who can join the Teach with EdTech Club, and what is this club all about? So I've also created a Facebook private group called the Teach with EdTech Club, where I want committed educators to be a part of it. Now, when I say committed, I don't mean to say that you all are not committed. What I mean to say is that when we have decided that we're going to be learning something and we are going to be implementing it, and at the same time also sharing the same with other educators. So that is the kind of commitment that I'm looking at. So in order to join the Teach with EdTech Club, what we thought is, as a team, we're going to be coming up with one masterclass every month. We're going to be sharing one big idea every month. There are going to be no live sessions. The reason why there will be no live session is because it's very difficult for educators to come together at one particular time. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be recording the session. The masterclass is going to be recorded and it's going to come to you. Now, what you need to do is you need to study the masterclass at your own pace. Look at it. Maybe, you want to go through it a couple of more times. Explore the ideas that are being shared in the masterclass. You can do that. Explore, dive deep into it, right? Then you will be asked to send us questions about the tool, about the masterclass that you saw. So you will be given a Google form where you will be filling your questions, and all those questions will come to us. So all those who are participating or who are a part of the Teach with Tech Club will receive the masterclass, will be required to study that, and then will be required to ask questions in the format of a Google form. We will record the answers to those questions and again share the recording of that with you. And once that is done, we will come live together to understand how is it that we have used that tool in our classroom, and what were the problems that we faced while using the tool, or what are the other ways and ideas in which we can actually use those tools. So this is what the Teach with Tech Club is going to be doing. It's going to be helping you all to save your time. So we do the research, we come to you, we present a tool, we expect you to study that, ask questions, and then we meet live. Date and time will be set for every month so that everyone is aware and knows to make time for that, right? Now, what you need to do is, once you are a member of the Teach with Tech Club, you will get the masterclass every month. You will have the doubt clearing session, which will be again recorded. Then we will have a live session to exchange ideas. There will be a PDF guide of that entire tool that will be given to you. There will be, of course, tips and strategies which will be shared. And there will also be certain bonuses that will be shared with all of you, which will be in a format of pre-recorded sessions, which you can view at your sweet time so that you don't lose out. Because I've realized myself that there are so many webinars where I have registered for, but unfortunately I've not been able to be there on time. Some of them, in spite of having recordings, I've not been able to catch up. So in order to avoid the chaos and bring in more clarity, we're going to be following a system, a format. Because when we have a system and when we have a format, then of course we see the commitment and we also see the change coming in at a faster rate, right? Now, what you need to do to become part of this is, these are the bonuses that will be shared in the first month. So we are going to be starting the Teach with Tech Club membership from the next month, that is the month of April. And we will go right up till December, till the year 2021 gets over. So we will be sharing one big EdTech idea every month with the members. And every month we will be sharing certain bonuses or certain bundles that will come to you, which you can view and learn more about it. So what you need to do is, how to become a member is, you can avail all the benefits that we have just mentioned by becoming a member. And for this, the membership fee per month is only $499. Now, you may say that, okay, I don't want to pay annually till 2021 December. So what you can do is you can become a member for a month, try it out. If you like it, continue the membership. If not, then okay, that's fine. But what this club is going to be doing is, it's going to expect you to create. It's going to expect you to study. It's going to expect you to come up, and when the live session happens, come up and showcase ideas and also demonstrate how you use the tool. So it's an exercise where you're going to be involved in it, where you're going to be studying it, and the tool and all the features, experimenting with it, and then, of course, going ahead and sharing that knowledge with your teachers in your school and other schools. So this is what the idea of the Teach with Tech Club is, to help educators dive deep into this idea, to become experts, and then, of course, share that knowledge with everyone out there. So this is what the Teach with EdTech Club is going to be doing. Now, who can be a part of this? If you're an action taker, if you're creative and like to experiment, if you like to have an edge in your classroom, then this EdTech Club is going to be helpful, because as I said, that you get to save your time, you get to interact with like-minded educators, you get to be a part of the EdTech community where we are always going to be coming up with new tools and strategies, and also you will have access to videos and the bundles that we will be sharing every month. So this is what the Teach with EdTech Club is all about.